Hey yo, what is up people? This is TechSav here, and yes, I'm back. I'm back with a new video today, and in this video we are going to unbox this guy.
Swag, bitch.
So this is the new Redmi 6 Pro. Well, almost new, as it was launched back in 2018 on 11th of September, and it comes in this box, the white box, Redmi signature box, and I got the version with the highest order, which is 4 gigs of RAM and 64 gigs of internal storage. And taking a look at the back of the box, you can find some general information like it has a 12 megapixel primary camera with a 5 megapixel depth sensing camera, a 5.8 inch screen, a 4000 mAh battery, and a Snapdragon 625 SoC. Now we can also find some other information at the back of this box. As you can see, this device has dual SIM capability, a 5.8 inch screen as I mentioned earlier, a 4000 mAh battery. It has portrait mode for both the front and the back cameras, and it has fingerprint sensor and face unlock. Now these are some good features to be found in a smartphone in this price range, and Redmi has done it again. So without further ado, let's grab our knife and get started. Now while I unbox the device, I want to apologize to you guys as I couldn't come up with new videos since the last month or so. I had to take care of some college work, and I had to take care of some personal work too. As my exams are approaching, I had to do this works, so I hope you guys would forgive me. And I also want to thank you guys for supporting the channel so much. We are nearly at 200 subscribers now. Okay, 40 less than 200 doesn't mean we are not going to reach 200. We can do it, guys. Just hit the subscribe button right down below. Now the plastics are off the box, and so this is the Redmi 6 Pro. The first thing we see in the box, it has got a sticker up front with the general information that is provided in the box anyway, and it has got a lot of stickers at the back also. We are gonna get rid of these stickers and the one on the top as well, but let's keep the device aside for now and check the box contents. Now first up, we have this box right here, and I think it contains the case, so let's keep that aside for now. Now this is the power brick that is provided inside the box, and this is a standard power brick which will charge your device, and fast charging is not available on this device, and I'm not complaining also, because at this price range I'm not expecting fast charge. And next item we have is the USB cable. Now this is an USB type A to micro USB cable, and at this price range I don't expect USB type C too. Now this is a budget phone, guys, so don't expect too much, and I don't know how long do we have to wait to see USB type C in the devices in this price bracket also, but as of now micro USB is the answer. Now there's this last thing inside the box, and it is stuck in anyway. Okay, so this is the SIM tool that is provided with your device inside the box. Now the box is completely empty, all the accessories have been taken out, no headphones whatsoever. Xiaomi does not provide headphones with the device in this price range. Now let's unbox this box right here, and we are gonna get a case and some paperwork, I think. And am I right? Yes, I am. Okay, so these are just regulatory paperworks, nothing much of use. You can find your user manual too, but that's not interesting. We are interested in this case which is provided with your device, and this case is made by Xiaomi themselves. It is quite lightweight and very thin and quite flexible, as you can see, and it is form fitted for this device only. Now we got all the things out of the box, So now let's get these stickers off the device right now, and let's check out the device itself. Alright, the last sticker is off the device, and now this device looks clean, new and shiny. Now look wise, it has a metallic finish at the back, but it is actually made of plastic. You have your antenna lines on the top, the fingerprint sensor right where it should be, so that when you're using your device with one hand, you can place your index finger right at the center of the device to unlock your Redmi 6 Pro with your fingerprint. You have your camera module up at the top, housing the 12 megapixel primary camera and the 5 megapixel depth camera for portrait mode. And on the right you have your volume rocker and the power switch, and these switches are not that tactile and quite mushy, and I don't like mushy keys. On the left you have a clean look with just the SIM tray. Now let's take a look at the SIM tray right now. And as you can see, it is not a hybrid SIM tray. The SIM solution is quite good. You can place 2 SIM cards with 2 of your numbers and 1 micro SD card, and it is expandable up to 256 gig. Now moving from the side to the top of the device, you will be really happy to find out you have the 3.5mm headphone jack right there. It's right there up at the top, and it's funny that Xiaomi does not provide headphones in the box, but it provided a 3.5mm headphone jack on the device. Now you have your microphone and IR blaster right there, and at the bottom you can find your speaker grills and microphone grills along with the micro USB port. And that's it for the physical part. Now let's boot up the device and see what is inside. Now it took a bit long for its first boot up, but now it has booted up, and as you can see it is running MIUI 9. And this is the setup screen right here. It is asking me to choose any language, but I'll do all the setup and settings right in this device, and I will get back to you when it finishes. Whoa, that's fast. Anyway, so this is the Redmi 6 Pro, and this is the notification center. It is still setting up now. It is still setting up the apps that was previously on my Moto E3, and this screen looks quite good in terms of its price, and at the lowest brightness you can't see a thing, but at highest brightness it's decent. It's an LCD panel. You also have the notch right in the middle. It is quite smaller than the notch of the iPhone 10 or any other device in the market. Now let's check out the settings and let's check out the info of this phone. And as you can see, it is running Android version 8.1.0 out of the box and MIUI 9 global version. Let's check if there is any update available or not. No, there is no update, but let's keep checking. It is checking right now, so let's wait for a bit. Alright, as you can see, a new update is available right now, and it is 484 MB for the current version, and these are the description of the new features that are provided in this update. So let's go to the bottom of this page and click the update button. Now I'll leave the device while it updates itself. So finally the update has been completed and it is asking me to reboot the device now. So I'll just tap the reboot button and it will again reboot the device with all the updates and install the updates right away. So now let's try this case on, and I think it fits pretty well for the device. The cuts are very precise and all the buttons and cutouts are really good, and it is a clear case, just a simple clear case for the minimum protection of your device, and I recommend that you put this on as soon as you get your device. Now the update is being installed, and it has been installed in the device, and right away you can see the difference in the notification center. Now let's check if there is any change in the settings menu, and there is system app updated, and there is a notification that it has been updated successfully. I'll agree to it. So let's get to about phone, and as you can see now the MIUI version is 10.0.2. so the MIUI has been updated to the latest version, and Android 8.1 is running as I mentioned earlier. This is the version audio. Now if you look at the screen, you will notice that there is a small chain right at the bottom, so it is not all screen, but the side bezels are much thinner, and up at the top you've got a smaller notch than any other phone in the market, which you can disable right from the settings menu. I will talk about it more in the review video for this device, and it will be out soon, so stay tuned for that, guys. So this was the unboxing, first impression and setup of the Mi6 Pro. If you want to check the phone out, I'll drop a link down in the description. If you want to check my previous videos, you can tap the icon above. And if you want to show your love and support the channel, you should hit that subscribe button right there. And if you like this video, just hit the like button down there. Thank you all for joining me in today's video. I'll see you in my next one. Peace out.